Hey guys, let's go ahead and make some s'mores bars. These things are amazing. So go ahead and throw your batter into a bowl, and you can use either a stand mixer or a hand mixer, whichever you prefer. And I cream it up with my brown sugar first, and then add the white sugar in and let it get nice and fluffy. And then crack your eggs into a bowl. Make sure you don't get any bad ones or get any shells in there. And add it to your creamed butter and sugar one at a time. You do want to use room temperature eggs, or it will start to make your butter go into clumps if those eggs are cold. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl, add your next egg, some vanilla. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. Mix those all together. You've got your ground up graham crackers, which is giving you that graham flavor. I have also used ginger snaps in place of the graham crumbs, or you can use any other kind of cookie that you like the flavor of, maybe Biscoff. Add your dry ingredients to your wet, just let them mix in a little bit. Go ahead and stick your parchment paper into your pan. I like to clip it down so it doesn't get stuck to the marshmallows or fold over in the oven, and just press that dry mixture into the bottom until it's mostly even. The base coating doesn't have to be completely perfect, but go ahead and bake it for about 12 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and melt our chocolate chips. And once they're nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and pour those out on top of the partially baked cookie crust. This is going to give those marshmallows something to stick to. Just spread that chocolate out. Don't push down too hard because your cookie crust is not completely baked. Now pour on some marshmallows. Use as many or as few as you like. I like to make sure the whole top is covered. And then I'm going to pop that back in the oven just to kind of melt those down a bit. While the marshmallows are melting in the oven, melt the rest of the chocolate, pour it into a piping bag, and just cut off the very tip of it. And I'm going to use a blowtorch because I never get a good char on my marshmallows in the oven. So just grab your handy little blowtorch and give these a little toast. You get that nice toasty marshmallow flavor from that. And then drizzle on a little chocolate. You get a double layer of chocolate by having some under and on top of the marshmallows. Make it as pretty or as ugly as you like. It does not matter because it tastes so good. Now to get these out, I use a knife to loosen up the edges just a bit, but those parchment paper handles are going to make this really easy to lift out of the pan. And I'll show you a little trick when you want to cut anything with marshmallows, even if you're just making homemade marshmallows. If you use a plastic scraper, it cuts without the marshmallows sticking to it. It's amazing. A lot of people just grab a knife out of habit, and it's just easier to use something plastic. And you can see here that the marshmallows are not sticking to the plastic at all. So give these a try. Let me know in the comments what you think. I think you're going to love them. Thanks for watching Global Bakes. Bye.